So, are you facing a Java error issue? Means while you're trying to approve from DSE and you may get a Java issue. So I also getting the same issue, and one of my friends suggested a few steps. So I applied that, and now it's working fine. So what are that steps? Just see this one. Like first you have to download Mozilla Fire, and the version should be 43 to 50 in between, and it should be a 32 bits. So once you download this one, so I will share the link in my current video description also. You can download from that, and I will show you means how you can do that setting also. So no worry. So once you download, then you have to setting. Go to means settings, go Firebox options, security exception, and there you have to add the EPF link. And Java also we have to download the version 8, and it also should be 32 bytes 32 bits only, because both should be 32 same. And the EPF link also you have to add in the security, and go to security and add the EPF link there also. So these are the 4 steps. If you done this one, then 100% it should be working your system. So let me show you means so this is the Firefox 32 bits 43 version. And first I download Java 64 bit, and when I trying it was not working. Then 32 bits I downloaded and trying, and it's worked. So once you download this one and go to Firefox, let me open the Mozilla Firefox. Under settings, how you have to add that one, that I will show. Just click on this 3 button, go to option, under option security and exception. So here you can add the EPF portal link and just allow and save it. So this is the one thing. Second thing, you can also check whether the Java is supporting this website or not. Say for example 64 byte I downloaded and updated. When I go to EPF portal, it message came that Java is not supporting to this particular website. So you can check in add-on also. Once you click add-on plugin, here if it is not supporting, this Java updates detail will be not here, and if it is supporting this, the data will be here. So in Firefox you have to add that EPF link. Second thing, you can check the Java version also. So now let me go to Java control panel. Once you go to control panel, click on program. Here Java is there. So just double click on that, and it will be open. So under security, you have to add here EPF data also. So then only Java will work. And in updates, you should keep before updating. Means you should get notified. You should not update. So these are the 4 steps you have to follow. So download this one, go to settings, then download Java and this link. So these are the 4 steps. Once you done this 4 step, once you've done that 4 step, after that you can go and check whether in EPF portal you are able to sign it or not. So let me go to EPF portal, services, employer, and online. Yeah, once you log in, just click on the pending approval, whatever is there, and it will show you. So 4 here is there. So let me check whether how it's working now. So just I will check just one how it's working, any error is coming or not. So just click on active and allow, show other also, allow, okay. And it will ask the update, but don't update, click on later. So if any new version Java is there, so for that updating purpose also system will ask, but don't update it one, because if we update it, then again it will get a problem, and you are not able to working again. So that problem will become. So now it says, if you see, the digital token is working here. So it's searching the file, supporting file. Once it's matched, it will get a pop-up, and there you can able to sign in. So just follow that 4 step, and to download this Firefox and Java version also, I will give in the description, so that you can download and try it. That one. And also we have our Telegram group also. If you check it out, if you go to in description, we
guys,
have a separate Telegram group also where I update many things. So you can join our Telegram group also, where multiple things I will share with you. And every weekend we will have free session also related to income tax, GST, related to taxation, PF, ESI, everything. So you can get from that benefit also. And we conduct some workshop also. And if you are interested, you can join that also. Yeah, still it's loading. So once it's loading, it's done, it will get pop up. But the thing is this only. You have to update, you have to get the version which we mentioned so that it will work with you. And guys, don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel also, because subscribe करने में कुछ आपका नहीं जाएगा. And also click the notify button also so that you will get a notification whenever I update the new video. So we have, if you are want to learn professional tax related to Karnataka, so I have recorded two video, part 1 and part 2, where you can see how you can prepare the challan, and second thing, how you can file your professional tax return. So this two video also you can watch, and you can, yeah, now it's detected. So just click on this. I hope now it will get, yeah, now it's getting pop up. Just click on sign and the password of your DSC, and it's done. Okay, sorry, I gave a wrong password. Yeah. So finally, if you click, and it's got approved. So that's it, guys. And don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you and see you next time. तब तक हमें भी आपके दुआओं में याद रखना.